So hello guys and welcome back to another video. So Bitcoin is currently forming a short-term pattern that we'll be looking at today, and we'll be analyzing how this will affect the Bitcoin price in the near future. So without wasting any more time, if you are new to this channel, please click the thumbs up button and also click the subscribe button for more upcoming videos like this. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video and let's talk about this Bitcoin current pattern. So we are currently over at our screen and we are currently on coinmarket.com, and if we look at the top cryptocurrency which we'll be talking about in today's video is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's current price is $43,079, currently down by 0.2% in the past hour, currently up by 0.1% in the past 24 hours, and down by 6.1% in the past week. So let's click and let's take a brief overview of what Bitcoin is currently looking like. So even if we look at current price, it's currently at $43,079, and if we look at today's graph, we can see that its current highest point of today is about $43,515, and which was hit around 4:30 p.m. And if we look at this area right here, we can notice a quick dump in the price. So we went from around 42,834 to around $43,086 in just a matter of 15 minutes. So that is about $800 down in just 15 minutes. And if we even look at the low, it probably went even lower. We can see its highest was 42,900 and its low was $42,086. So this was a quick dump, and we eventually managed to come back up even after that, and we managed to make it to $42,662. And if we look at the most day overall, we were in the green for most of the day, and we are still currently in the green right now. And if we look at the 24 hours volume, we can see we are at $24 billion, which is currently up about 11% from yesterday. And if we look at the 7-day chart, we can obviously see that in the first days we were kind of higher and we were doing pretty well. We did hit new highs around $49,000, and we did manage to get back to around 46,000. We traded there for a day, solid day, and then we had a dump. So this dump was on the 12th, and we saw it from midday, and ever since then we have been going pretty flat. So we haven't gotten any important movement, any important uptrend yet in the weekly time frame. Even if we just look regular, we can see that this is very little movement, and if we look, it looks very flat. We went at most even around a couple $100, not even 1,000 in a couple days. We only see this quick dump that we saw today, and nothing else was important in the past couple days. So these past days have been pretty flat for almost every cryptocurrency, including other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, and even like altcoins such as Solana and Avalanche and every other altcoin. So let's take a look at the pattern we are here for today, and let's analyze what we are currently seeing. So if we go onto the Bitcoin USD, and if we on the 1 hour chart, we can analyze this ascending triangle forming right here. So if we look at this, we recently had a breakout from this ascending triangle. So we can see that this ascending triangle was forming since earlier today, and since earlier yesterday actually, and we saw this quick pattern going like this, and this was ascending triangle, and then here we did see a breakout, but then we saw a retest. So after that we got a rejection from that price and we went down. Then we went just above 42,000, and then we did manage to go back up on the upwards route. So we are expecting something in the positive direction very soon. So we could possibly go into the 44,000 range, and we could see something more positive. Because of all these days we have seen nothing, but we could expect something now because of this current pattern that we have identified. So this ascending triangle, we did have a successful breakout, and then before this we had a fake breakout right here. As you can see, this green candle did cross this price point, but then as soon as it crossed, we saw this red candle, which was a retest, and it even went below the actual trend line, and the second candle even went lower than almost halfway in the triangle. So this was a really risky move, and it was very unidentifiable. But as we got onto the next candle, we did manage to continue the trend, and we did manage to see this breakout to the upward side. So we are expecting something around the 44,000 range very soon. So even possibly tomorrow or any upcoming days in Bitcoin. So that was it for today's video. In this video, we talked about how Bitcoin is currently forming a ascending triangle in the hourly time frame, and we have seen a successful breakout, and we are expecting some higher movement just in the upcoming hours or even days. So stay tuned for that. And if you are new to this channel, please do make sure to check out my daily crypto live streams that I do on this channel. So I talk daily about any recent crypto price movement and any recent price changes, or even recent news that we have seen in the crypto community. So do make sure to check those out. And I also create long form content like this, and I create videos on these crypto news, so do make sure to check those out also. So that was it for this video, guys. Please click the thumbs up button, and also drop a comment down below on what type of videos I should create, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So that was it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.